Let me show you how to create a dynamic search box like this Microsoft Excel environment. Convert the data range to Excel table by pressing Ctrl plus T. Select a table design. Unmark the filter button and let named the table name as Records. Then press Ctrl plus Shift plus F3 and select the top row. We will use this later, the formula we are creating. Now, go to the search box worksheet. First, go to Insert and select Rectangle Shape from Illustration. Adjust the shape. Select a shape style and outline weight. Next, insert the search icon from Illustration. Select a graphic style format based on your preference. Now, go to Developer tab, click Insert, choose a text box, and place the text box inside the rectangle shape you created, and adjust the text box accordingly. Go to Properties, locate the linked cell, and type C2. This will be our reference later. For the special effect, choose 0 to remove the text box border. And close the Properties window, Finish Touch. Click Design View. Next, apply the filter function in B6 cell reference, equal to filter open parenthesis for the array. Use the records table, then we use is number to confirm if the data contain numbers or not. Then, open parenthesis for the search criteria. Enter C2. This is the cell reference. We linked to the text box earlier, then within text, type student name. This will be our reference for search the text, then double close the parenthesis. If empty, you can desire to leave blank or not available, close the parenthesis. We need to convert the relative cell for C2 to absolute cell by applying $sign to lock the cell. Now change the date format for joining date by pressing Ctrl plus 1 and select your date format. Let's try to enter a name in the search box, and it will display only the name type on the datasheet. Finally, let's try to add borders to the data range. First, remove the grid lines under View. Press Ctrl plus A to select all by focusing on the data range. Now go to Home tab and select Conditional Formatting and New Rule. Select Format Only cells that contain and Format Only cells with no blanks. Go to Format to pick your preferred border color. Click each side to add a border lines. Click OK. Let's try to enter a name in the search box, and it will display only the name type on the datasheet with the applied border.